In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple currencies in your Wise account with ease. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because being logged in allows you to access all the features and options available to you on Wise. Once you're on your home screen, you'll easily notice your account overview. Now, one of the great features of Wise is that it gives you the flexibility to manage balances across a wide range of currencies. In fact, you can open balances in up to 50 different currencies, which is incredibly useful for those of us who conduct business or travel internationally. To open a balance in a new currency, start by locating and clicking on the plus icon on your screen. This icon is designed to guide you toward expanding your currency portfolio, and it's straightforward to find and use. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can either open a balance or open a jar. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on selecting the option to open a balance. Once you've clicked on the Open Balance option, it's time to choose the currency you'd like to manage. You'll have a comprehensive list of currency options to choose from, thanks to Wise's support for a wide range of global currencies. Select the currency you're interested in. It's as simple as making a tap on that currency option. After you've made your selection, a confirmation click is necessary to finalize your choice. This ensures that you've settled on the right currency without any mix-ups. With this new account setup, you now have a plethora of actions you can perform. Whether you need to add money, convert funds from one currency to another, or send money internationally, everything is neatly arranged and accessible on your screen. Each of these actions is designed to make handling multiple currencies streamlined and efficient, so you can focus on what matters most to you. So there you have it. That's how you can open and manage multiple currency balances in your Wise account. Remember, navigating through this process is quite user-friendly, but should any questions arise, Wise's support documentation and customer service are always invaluable resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.